Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jamie, and today we are going to be cash stuffing our binders. And it has been a long process and a long road for me the last couple of years, and for the ones who had followed my journey, you understand that this right here means a lot to me to be able to do this once again. So we're going to get started. So what I did is I had went through here and was checking, doing a brain dump on where I wanted the money to go and what binder it goes into. So I'm just going to sit this over here to the side to give me some room, and we're going to start with the debt binder. And the debt binder, sorry about that. Of course, it has been towards the end of the month, so I did have to take some money out of the mortgage binder and use it for groceries, which is okay. You know, I got it, and it was a blessing that I did have it. So I said that mortgage was going to get 20, so that leaves 147 in mortgage. So we will put the 20 in. Sorry for Simon's mouth. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 130, 150, 5, 6. Wait a minute. I didn't count this right. Let's see. I got to figure this out. 50. 20, 40, 60, 81. 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay, that should have been 167. So I don't know where I messed up at over here. I must have put some money in or miscounted, but that's okay. I take 167 in here. Gets me closer. And I did add the mortgage and the insurance together. To pay both of them for a month would be $557.06. So it gives you a little bit of an idea of my bills, which I will be working on showing you all my full budget. Car payment should have 168 in it. So there's 20, 40, 60, 81. 50, 60, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So car payment is going to get 20. So this should have 188 now. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, and 88. So 188 in car. Car insurance is going to get a 10. So we'll just put over here 10. I did go and take some of this money out to pay the car insurance for February. That's the reason why we're starting over. Actually, car insurance is not 118, it's 130. I rounded it up to try to get it paid off quicker. 130. I do mine by the year, so it's all good. Car maintenance is going to get 10. I need some new tires, so as much as I can save will go to it. So here's a 10. And car maintenance should have 65, 20, 40, 50, 65. Okay, tags and is going to get 5. I had to look. So it has 15 in it now. So 10 and 5 is 15, guys. So the next one will be personal bills. For all of my personal bills, it's $214.13 for right now, but it will be going up. But it's okay. I'll get it paid. I'll get my debt paid off and I'll be good. So it's getting 15, so we'll take a 10 and a 5. Oh. So that is it for the debt binder. Okay, now for the bills. Well, wait a minute. Let's go here first. I got to take care of the grandkids. So they each get $5. So Amber gets 5, which would make them 10 in their little binder. Like I said, I did go through and combined a lot of the other ones to pay off, pay on some bills that came up and for some groceries and stuff. So each one of these guys are getting $5 each. And I'll make sure the grandkids are taken care of this week. Okay, so the grandkids are now taken care of. Now we'll go to the bills binder. So with this one, we are going to be starting with internet and cable, and it's going to get 10. So it should have 72 in it now. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. And I said it was going to get a 10. So now it should have 72, right? Is that what I said? Yep. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Okay. So electric is going to get 15. Let me calculate this. I'm not really good at calculating right now, guys. So 66 plus 15 is 81. So 10 and 5 is 15. I'm hoping I'll have enough to stuff all of them, but I may not. So there's 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81. Is that what I said? 81, yep. Okay, so that one's done. Cell phone, I said 5. My cell phone bill is $68.28, so I have 65 in here. So there's 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and 5 is 65. So we got that one taken care of. I've almost got enough for my cell phone bill for next month, so that's good. Trash is 16. It's already got 25 in it, so I'm just going to add another 5. So that would be 30. I'm almost 2 months ahead on the trash. So there's 20, 25, and 30. The next one is water. Yep, okay. The next one is water, And I want to put $10 in water, because my water bill usually runs about $54, $55. So now we are at $64, so the water bill is taken care of. So I need 10, 5 and 10. So it should have 64. And we have got 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Water at 64. Yep, water is at 64. So there's the water bill for next month. Subscriptions, all of my subscriptions that I've got, like Canva, oh my gosh, Discovery Plus, and my HP ink and stuff like that is in here, and the total is $62.96. I know I could probably get rid of some of these, but right now we're binge watching a lot of stuff on these channels, so that will have to wait. So we're going to do 15. So 38, 15, 38, and 15 is 53. Okay, so let me get 5, 10, 15. So now we should have, what should we have? 53. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, and 3. So now we got that one taken care of. Now with groceries and everything that's in here, this is household groceries. We'll be getting the 100. So our balance is 100. And when I get, you know, my receipts of what I do, I will take it and minus it off. But for this week, groceries has got $100. Snacks is supposed to get 10. Five, 10. Okay, toiletries is going to get 5. I'm just going to let this accumulate in here, and then I will go get like shampoo, toilet paper, and stuff like that. I usually get my toilet paper at the Dollar Tree because it's the only toilet paper that will not clog up my lines. So this one's getting 5. I know, it's crazy, ain't it? So let's see here. The next one is coffee. Everybody knows I've got to have my coffee, and today it's getting $10 in it. So 5 and 10. The next one is laundry, and I've got it set to get 10. Laundry soap is so expensive nowadays. It's just crazy. And then the last one should be garden and household tools and stuff. So I gotta save up in this one a lot because our lawnmower is down and it's going to cost us almost $700 to get it fixed. So it should have 30 in it. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see. This is crazy. Oh. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we got 30 in this one. Now I'm going to try to add the rest of what I got into the pet binder, and I'm not for sure which one is going to get what. So I'm trying to put money in each and every one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into pet food. So let me see here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that'd be 14. I'm sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Should be 12. I told you guys I couldn't count today. So it should now have 12. And then later on when I get some bigger bills, I'll come back and trade these ones out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alrighty guys, that's all of my stack of money that I had here. And I know I didn't count it. I don't know how much is in here, but I should have done that. I'll go back in a minute and figure it out and let you know how much we stuffed in our binders today. Hold on just one second, guys. Okay, guys, I went back and recounted everything. Today, I had stuffed $312 into these binders, and I cannot be more happy and more proud than I am of myself right now. So if you made it to the end of the video, leave a dollar mark in the bottom or put hashtag save. So bye guys.